Hey guys, this is Martin, and welcome back to the mini series of Burp AI. So, Burp recently has released a complete new version of Burp Suite Professional, which includes AI capability. And in the previous video, we looked at the Explore issue, and now we're going to look at the Explainer and what the Explainer means and how this can benefit you in your active testing. So first and foremost, like I have done a test here, right? So this is one of the basic cross-site scripting labs from Portswigger. So I'm just sending this, and so you see how it works. And a nice little feature they included is like if you mark like a specific section in your GET request or in your response, respectively, then you can basically come over here, and then you have something new called Explain This. And then when you hit this, it's basically sending this to an LLM, and then it will give you a bit more information. Like, for example, if you see a header you're not familiar with, it will practically analyze this specific portion of it, right? Like, so for example, what does upgrade insecure requests 1 mean? So simply highlight it, say, explain this, and then you will basically get the answer here that it indicates that the client prefers an encrypted and secure version of the resource if available. Right, like this is super helpful. Like also for those of you who are not that familiar with certain headers, for example, or if you come across a really complex application and things like this, this is a nice little way to do this. Again, previously you copy pasted this out, like maybe the whole request or maybe just that line, went to Grok or ChatGPT or Anthropic or whatever, right? But now you have this like integrated into your workflow, and then you see the explanations here. Like the same goes, like for example, hey, explain me this accept encoding, for example. So once again, explain this, and then it will send it to the Portswigger LLM, and then it will tell me what it is. So from a learning perspective, this is also fantastic. I highly recommend using it if you have a Burp Pro license. And that's all for this specific feature, the explainer feature. Very neat and handy. I hope this makes sense, and I will see you in the next video.